Hello, in front of me I have WITHINGS Steel HR, and I'm gonna show you how to set up the alarm on this device. First we need to open the WITHINGS Have Made app on our phone. In the app we need to tap on Devices, right here at the bottom, and then tap on Next Alarm. And here we can set up our alarm. To do it, you can press and hold on this black bar and scroll up and down to set the hour. Let's set it to 8:30 for example. Here you can also enable smart wake up option. To do it, press and hold on this circle and you can drag it up and down to adjust the time, for example 40 minutes. Basically the alarm will start ringing 40 minutes earlier to help you wake up on time. And after you're done with this, tap on Save here. And here we have a few more options to adjust. We can check or uncheck option called Repeat On. And if you check it, you can basically select the days on which the alarm is gonna be active. You can tap on them to select them or unselect them like this. Below we have name, you can tap on it and change the name of the alarm. Then tap OK. And here we can collapse this menu or expand it like that. And at the bottom we have remove option. Simply tap on the bin icon and tap OK to remove. Oh, you can also enable or disable this alarm right here. You can also go to your watch and check the status of the alarm right here by pressing the side button to scroll through the different screens, and you should find the one with the alarm icon, this one, and when you wait, you will see when the alarm will be turning on basically and what days and the name of the alarm. And if you disable it, it's gonna say alarm off. Let's remove it also. Just tap on the bin icon and OK to remove it. And that's basically how you set up the alarm on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.